Hey everyone, welcome back to SA Dress Embroidery, where threads meet creativity. Today I'm going to show you a stunning blue floral sleeves embroidery design that's perfect for transforming any plain dress into a showstopper. And if you're thinking about turning your passion into a small business, stick around. I'll share some useful tips at the end. Take a look at this design. Beautiful, layered blue petals in gradient shades, accented with bright yellow French knots at the center. The floral layout along the sleeves adds a perfect touch of elegance. Whether you're designing for a kurti, a blouse, or even a dupatta, this pattern is sure to turn heads. Materials you'll need. To get started, an embroidery hoop, embroidery floss in navy blue, sky blue, and yellow, a blunt needle, your base fabric, preferably cotton or linen for ease of stitching. Step 1. First, mark the area on the sleeves where you'd like the design to go. You can sketch a borderline or layout curve to guide your floral placement. Step 2. Start with the chain stitch along your marked line using navy blue thread. This gives a clean, finished frame. Step 3. Now create each flower using lazy daisy stitches. For layered petals, start with darker blue on the bottom layer and lighter blue on top for a 3D effect. Step 4. Add French knots in yellow for the flower centers. Just wrap the thread twice and pull through. Simple but so effective. This design works beautifully for sleeves, but don't stop there. Try it on hemlines, pockets, side slits on kameez, or as corner motifs on dupattas. Necklines. You can watch my neckline video on my channel. I will add the link in the description box. Go and watch it. You can also mix and match petal colors or add beads for added dimension and shine. Don't forget the shalwar. Adding embroidery to the bottom cuffs can give the entire outfit a designer feel. Try horizontal floral borders near the ankle, vines growing upward from the hem, symmetrical motifs mirrored on both legs. For extra elegance, use metallic threads or outline flowers with zari or gota work. The chador offers plenty of creative space. Embroider all four corners with matching motifs. Add a single floral trail along one edge for a modern twist. Try placing scattered flowers in a gradient for an ombre look. Lighter threads on dark-colored chadors look luxurious, especially when paired with subtle sequins or pearls. Now let's talk about turn your embroidery into a small business. If you love embroidery, why not turn it into a source of income? Here's how you can get started. Make embroidered ready-made kurtis, dupattas, or scarves. Create matching sets, e.g. embroidered sleeve plus shalwar cuff plus chador corner. Promote your work. Use natural light for clean, appealing photos. Post your work consistently on Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. Create a simple logo and watermark your photos. Sell online or locally. Use platforms like Etsy, Daraz, or Facebook Marketplace. Offer pieces at fairs, exhibitions, or local boutiques. Pro tips for success. Offer customization, color themes, initials, patterns. Take orders for bridal or gift sets. Keep packaging simple but beautiful. Add a thank you tag with care instructions. Gradually increase prices as demand and recognition grow. Stay connected. Try this design out and tag us using SA Dress Embroidery on Instagram so we can see your amazing creations. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more embroidery small business tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a stitch. Thanks for watching, and remember, every stitch is a step towards something beautiful. Happy stitching and happy selling!